Hey, it's Matt Webley here. Hope you're doing all right. So I want to show you a tool I've built with AI, and you can use this tool to build your first software using AI. So I'm not one of these people that encourages just consuming AI. I think you should create with AI, and I don't mean like blog posts and stuff. I mean, you should create real life, genuine businesses that make you money, and that's what I help people to do. So this is, I'm hoping, a tool that is gonna open your eyes to an opportunity that maybe you've not considered before, and that is building a software as a service business. So I've been selling online for over 23 years, made over $23 million, and the thing that stopped me from getting into the software game was I didn't think I could do it from a technical point of view, and I held all kinds of self-limiting beliefs around getting into the software as a service game. And then about 8 years ago, I saw somebody else do it that I considered to be super duper basic, and they started some software. So I thought, well, if they can do it, I can do it. So I started some software, and that's what I've been doing for the last something like 8 years. Well, now that same feeling that I got when I watched somebody a lot more inexperienced than me go into a space that I considered out of bounds for me, that you can hopefully get that same feeling, because you can go, well, Matt got into software, but yeah, all right, he's got this, he's got that, he's got this, right? Okay, it works for him, it's okay for him. But now you can do it because AI has taken away that technical barrier. So this AI SaaS prototype generator that I've created is a very, very simple tool that in just 6 questions, you are basically going to be able to create your own software in front of your eyes with no technical knowledge, no coding knowledge, no deep pockets. It's an extremely cheap, if not free, process to go through, or very, very, very close to free. This might well be free for you, based on the fact that you can get a free trial of software and all that stuff. But let me just instead of talking about it, let me show it you. So AI SaaS prototype generator. If you want to see where to go to get this, you go to mattwebley.com. There's 2 T's in Matt. Notice on the screen, mattwebley.com/blueprint, all one word, blueprint. Okay, I'll link it down below anyway. But this is the AI SaaS prototype generator. Build your software prototype in less than 12 minutes. No coding required, 100% free, from idea to working prototype. So this is a free prototype builder for entrepreneurs. So is this the ultimate tool that you should use if you're looking to go into the software as a service business space using AI? No. Is this the perfect tool that if you're sat here thinking, well, I've never built software before, I don't know how to code, I don't know where to start, I don't know what AI agents to use or AI to use, is this the perfect tool for you? Absolutely. This is to give you that same spark that I had when I watched somebody a lot more inexperienced do something that I considered was something that I couldn't do myself. And obviously it was just a self-limiting belief. So if you think you can't build software without being a coder, without having deep pockets and all that stuff, this is to show you that you can by answering 6 simple questions. So you enter your email address and name here, and you click start building, and then it comes to this screen. So step 1 of 6, just 6 simple questions. So what's your SaaS idea or problem you want to solve? So you can describe your SaaS idea or the problem you want to solve in this box and hit next. If you need some inspiration, you can click this and it gives you some stuff you can choose from: recipe discovery app, pet care app, restaurant inventory management system, or you can click this button and it will AI suggest. Right, so dating app for professionals that matches based on career goals and lifestyle preferences. Let's just go with this. The point is, we're not going to build this as a business. The point is, it's to validate the fact that you can actually create software now using AI. Who's your target audience? So you can actually write in here, click in this and say my target audience is whatever, or you can just click AI suggest. There you go, single adults. Next. I've made this as super easy as possible for you to just prove to yourself that you could build software and henceforth a software as a service business, right? The technical barrier that would stop you building software and that self-limiting belief, The aim of this tool is to overcome that. So what big pain or problem are they struggling with? So again, you can either write it there if you actually know what you want to build, or you can just click AI Suggest. They struggle to find meaningful connections with people who share similar interests and lifestyle goals. I made this myself with AI no code, the exact tools that I'm showing you how to use here, I made it with. So what's the number one feature you want your SaaS to have? So AI Suggest, AI-powered compatibility matching. There we go. How would you like to charge for it? Let's do a monthly subscription. Next. What's your SaaS name? Go away. I don't know if you saw that little window popped up. AI Suggest. Okay. I don't know if that's right, appropriate or not, but okay. So you don't even have to answer the 6 questions. You can get AI in my tool to answer the 6 questions for you, and then I'm going to click Generate Blueprint. That's it. So it's done. So the idea is 12 minutes from now, you can have a working software up and running. So what you're going to get here, once you've gone through this process, is you're going to get these are the 3 steps you have to go through. So this is the PRD, right? This is the file that my tool's just created, and all you do is you follow these 3 steps, and you can have it all done in less than 12 minutes. If you can put in a nice little countdown timer for you there. So you download the PRD. So you click this, and it will download that file to your computer. Then you set up an AI agent. Now, if there's a link here, you use this link, you get $10 free credits, right? It will not cost you any more than $10, or it should not cost you any more than $10 to create this. So essentially, this should be free to you, right? So you set up your AI agent. So this is your agent. This is the software, the AI agent that's going to actually build your software. And then you enter this file into the text prompt that comes up when you install this, or you don't even install it. It's browser-based or app-based, whatever. And then you hit go. So step 1, answer those 6 questions. You get to this page. You download your PRD. You enter it into the AI agent. You hit go. That's it, right? That's it. And this will build software in front of your eyes. Will it be ready to sell? No, it's not that easy. Blooming 1 prompt in 12 minutes. But will you see before your very eyes this AI agent build you software, and will it give you that spark to go, oh my gosh, this literally is building software in front of my eyes? And the beauty of it is once you've done that, you don't have to stop there. You can just speak natural language to the AI agent, this one, and you can build on that PRD. So within, I don't know, a couple of hours, you might have something whereby you go, oh my gosh, I could see how with a little bit more tweaking and a few more steps in place, I could have a sellable, scalable software as a service business here. So anyway, right, get the tool, links down below, go try it out. I would love it. I don't know how you get it to me, but I would love to see screenshots of what you built or whatever. But I want you to do this. It won't take you very long. It's actually fun, right? I've talked about it before, but there's a unique blend of creativity and problem solving attached to creating software as a service with AI that actually makes it like magnetically enjoyable. So this is not going to feel like work to you. It's going to actually make you go, ooh, and that's the spark I want you to have. So the spark that I had by seeing somebody that I considered to be way to be less experienced than me, that little spark that gave me that nudge to go into software as a service, and millions of dollars later, done over $12 million in software as a service from that little spark. I'm hoping you have that same spark by my tool. So you'll go to mattwebley.com/blueprint. You'll answer the 6 questions. You'll get your PRD, your blueprint text file. You'll enter it into the AI agent, and you'll hit go. And then you'll go, I've got it. And if that's all I ever do for you, just show you how you, wherever you're coming from, however little technical ability you have, however little coding experience you have, if you can just use that tool, this tool here, for free, and watch the agent build software in front of your eyes. I'm hoping that can be the spark that makes you go, I could build a business in this space. Okay, and then some people will reach out to me for next steps, because it's one thing building software, it's another thing building a business around that software, and that's what I specialize in. That's what I'm really good at. I'm very, very, very good at taking an idea, or even coming up with an idea. I'm not like, you don't even have to have an idea for software. I've got strategies for everybody at every stage, but I'm very good at taking an idea or coming up with an idea and then following that through to a 100k a year business, right? And beyond. Once you get to 100k, trust me, 200k is nowhere near as hard as the first 100k. But I'm very, very, very good, time and again, at getting you from 0 to 100k. And that's what I'm hoping this does. So if this gives you the spark, if you do it, if you follow along with this, very easy, just these steps that you've seen, you follow along with this and just do it, you'll get to the end and you'll have a software prototype whereby, yeah, it's not ready to sell, but it will hopefully give you the inspiration to go, I could do this, and maybe with Matt's help, I could turn this into a business. So for some people that are interested in taking that journey with me, there's going to be a link down below as well for that to work with me. I don't accept everybody as a client, but if you're the right fit, or if we're the right fit to work together, then I would love to help you build a software as a service business like I have, and create a scalable, passive income, faceless. You don't have to put your face on it. Single person. You don't need a big team. You don't need any technical ability. You don't need to know how to use AI. You don't need to know anything. Just a human being with a dream, and I can take you on the journey with me as long as you're open-minded, willing to follow instructions, and not expecting to click 3 buttons and get rich. So I can't help you if that's you. But for pretty much anyone else, if you want to build a business in the most exciting, most profitable, most lucrative industry there has been for many, many years online, in a way that you couldn't do in 2024, but now you can do it in 2025, and it's going to explode in 2026. You can be ahead of the curve. If you want to do that, then you can book a call, we can chat, we can explore a strategy together, and if it makes sense, maybe you can join me on the journey. I'm going to be actually doing some videos with some of my coaching clients, so you can see what they've built, and it'll blow your mind when you see this stuff. Right, thanks for watching. Go right now. Don't put it off. Don't think I'll do it later. It's going to take you about 12 minutes, 15 minutes maximum, to give you that spark of belief that you could build a software as a service business. So go click the link, go use my tool, and yeah, I'm excited to hear what you've come up with. Let me know in the comments down below how it went. If you built something, what did you build? Did it blow your mind? Let me know. I'm very interested. Thanks for watching. Go build your blooming prototype right now, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.